Hi, I'm Kent Haranica. Welcome to my duplex at 722 Pierce Street in Northeast Minneapolis. Beautiful Beltrami neighborhood. Let me tell you about how I acquired the property. Met an older couple in the neighborhood here. They had owned the property for over 50 years and they had rented it out for 30 of them. Hadn't done a whole lot of work to the property and they just wanted to get rid of it and go into retirement. I said I would gladly acquire the place and fix it up. We acquired the property for $209,000. We're probably going to put about $25,000 into the property, and the after repaired value is going to be in the high twos, probably around $290,000, potentially $300,000, depending on how well we do with the rehab. In this case, there was a lot of deferred maintenance on the property. We had to change out a heating system upstairs. But other than that, we did a little bit of plumbing work. We did some updated electrical, and we really wanted to concentrate on the smaller spaces, such as the bathroom and the kitchen, and make those shine, because we know that's what renters want. So let me take you through and show you what we are doing. So we're going to show you the upper space since it's a little further along. Both units are similarly laid out, and we have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, kitchen, and the living space. So what we had to do in this property, first and foremost, we had a space heater in this space, and we had to determine what we were going to do for heating because we have no ductwork here. So we installed a mini split. This is a space heater and a air conditioner all in one, and it's powerful enough to actually heat the whole space, but we are probably also going to do some supplemental heat with electric baseboard. This is the kitchen. We are going to be putting in a kitchen island here. We did new flooring, and we're going to be putting in some new cabinets here, and hopefully the space is going to pop. One of the original things that we're going to be leaving is this metal sink. Farmhouse kitchen, you know, we figure paint it up, could look pretty stylish. The bathroom is one thing that we wanted to concentrate on because it's a very small space, kind of obsolete, but we wanted to do some higher end finishes to make the space feel comforting. So we tiled up the entire bath or shower surround, put in some nicer tile, and we'll be adding some other cabinets and things to make it really shine and make it functional for people. We did also have the hardwood floors refinished. I think they did a beautiful job. It's hard to tell with all the construction debris around. But I think if you have the opportunity to redo hardwood floors, it can add a lot of value and really make a place shine. We have the back bedroom here. Pretty spacious, and get some good natural light in here. It has actually a sizable walk-in closet, which you can't see now because there's a bunch of construction debris covering it. But we'll be doing a few other things here, changing out light fixtures and things to make the place a little more modern feel, as well as that old-fashioned charm that you get with these houses. We did have to do a couple of electrical updates in the place. It has a lot of old wiring and not enough electrical outlets in each room, as well as no switches in some of the rooms. So had an electrician come in, cost us about $1,500 to get a few more extra outlets and put in some switches and make the place a little bit more functional. So both units are going to be similarly remodeled, and they have comparable layouts: 2-bedroom, 1-bath, kitchen, living room. We are expecting to rent each unit for around $1,400, which will give us a total rents of $2,800. Our mortgage payment after 15% down is a little under $1,400. So we have one unit paying for our mortgage, taxes, and insurance, and the other unit will be mostly cash flow. So if you own a duplex and are looking to sell, please don't be intimidated to list the property, because we have buyers.